equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the charging jack on your Lenovo V15 G2ITL laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively complete the repair. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back cover. This typically involves unscrewing several Phillips screws located around the edges of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you work your way around the edges. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover removed, locate the charging jack. It is usually situated near the power input area. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean the internal components with compressed air. This will help prevent dust from interfering with the new jack. Now, carefully disconnect the old charging jack from the motherboard. This may involve unscrewing it or gently pulling it out of its socket. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always seek assistance. Once the old jack is removed, take your new charging jack and align it with the socket on the motherboard. Ensure it fits snugly and securely. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. After securing the new jack, reassemble the laptop by replacing the back cover. Make sure all clips are properly aligned and press down gently to snap it back into place. Then, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Finally, power on your laptop and test the new charging jack. Plug in your charger and check if the device is charging correctly. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the charging jack on your Lenovo V15 G2ITL. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service to get your laptop back in working order. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.